All right, so that's the tracks I just came down. This is the back door entrance. That is kind of goofy. Here we are. These trails are not very well known for people. I'll show you the easier entrance here in a moment. I had to...
Wait a minute. Where the heck am I going? How the heck are you gonna know where I'm going, or what the heck is going on with this video? Should we back up a little bit? I'm sorry about that. Let's back up just a little bit.
All right, so this is what I'm going to cut out. And I haven't done this in a long, long time. But I'm going to try to go under the tracks, or under the ridge along the tracks. And see if this trail still exists. With high hopes that I will get into another trail. There's somebody that maintains these trails. There we go. So this is the main single track going in. This is a green trail right here, and then it gets progressively worse. And there's a black diamond back here. It's like insane. All right, so this here is where it crosses the pavement. If you go left and you cross, you go into it more difficult. And this goes through some subjective, holy cow, the animals are out like crazy today. Subjective property. I don't know if this is park or not. There's houses right on my right. I mean left. There you go with mixing the right and left up. So this place was a heritage for me, major heritage for me. I really learned how to jump back here to the next level. And we'll see in a moment here if the jumps are still here. So the trail goes right and continues behind the jump line. The jump line is right here, if it's still here. And I'm seeing it looks like it's still here. Oh my gosh. Glory, hallelujah, the jumps are still here. These jumps have been here for 20 plus years. Wow. They got a teeter-totter. Somebody's doing stuff back here. Somebody is doing stuff, for sure. All right, I'm gonna try the jump line with the berm. I haven't done this in 2 years, so don't know. Oh yeah, piece of cake. Oh, I'm flying. Oh, I flopped that last one. There's another guy right behind me. Let's see if he comes through. This is another one of the trails, and I don't remember the name of this one either. This is... I got somebody following me, so... Yeah, I moved to Red Wing a couple years ago, so... These were my home trails, through Wirth. I have to come back up here and see what they're like. This part is a little bit sketchy. That's sketchy number one. Sketchy number two is coming up here. I had the worst time getting this turn. There we go. A little overgrown, but some guy actually works. Yeah, it's some guy used to maintain them, so. I do remember the Labyrinth though. That's right up here. That's insane. There's actually a couple of them. I remember where I'm going here. Okay, so this is the Golden Labyrinth. If it's still here. And keep a distance because I probably will screw up. It's pretty crazy. Ah, not quite. I always mess up right there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, this next thing is more intimidation. Oh, than anything else. Woo. Wow. Pretty bonkers, huh?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't been back through here before.
Yeah, they've, looks like somebody's doing some work in here. All right, so the key is to get speed. And I'm not getting speed today.
Shot here is the old route I used to take to get major speed for the jumps, and I just wasn't feeling it today. But in any case, I was rocking awesome that these were still here and a new rider knows about them and I got to show them around. I headed back to Theater Wirth after this, but I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to show you exactly where to go to get into this place, but maybe I'll do that next year. Otherwise, you can just ask me if you see me on the trail. See you then. Yeehaw.